Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sound like frontman in the Squid Game using voice mod. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to download voice mod app. So, let's just type in voice mod and click enter. And that's what you can see. Voicemod.net will appear. Just click it here. And then click get voice mode free. Then let's just wait for it to download. Then start downloading. Since I already downloaded this file, I will just cancel this one. So let's open the voice mod. So this effect is only available to those pro users. So you need to subscribe to a plan which the voice mod provides. So let's search for the price of this one. Here is the price for this one, a $20 for a lifetime license, a $10 for a year, $3 or $4 for 3 months. So it's up to you on which plan you're going to take. So since I already applied for the plan, here is my voice mod. So I already unlocked the voice lab, the plugins, and etc. So just go to the voice box and hear what is the frontman sound.
Hello, this is the frontman speaking. Preparations for next game are complete. You can begin now.
So that was the sound that we're going to try. So in order to have that setting, we need to open a new tab and type in voice mod sound like frontman. Then this click here, which is provided by the voicemod.net, how to sound like frontman from the Squid Game. Just click it here and here. So as what you can see, here is the tutorial on how to sound like the frontman in the Squid Game. So they just scroll down, and here is the frontman changer voice setting. So here is the instruction. And we need to set this up: the resonator, the pitch, the high pass, the equalizer. So I will just set this up, and I will put the link in the description of this site, and I will fast forward during the setting. So I already completed the setup using this website here. And let's try it out. So here's the custom voice changer setup that we made. Let's test it out.
Hello, this is the frontman speaking. Preparations for next game are complete. You can begin now.
So that's how it sounds. Let's try again.
Once they see your face, you die.
So that's how we're going to set and how easy it is to set using this voice mode. That's all. Thanks for watching.